Welcome to Vital Health Guide. Today, we reveal a simple morning drink that melts stubborn belly fat incredibly fast every day. Are you struggling with unwanted belly fat despite exercising? The secret might be hiding in your daily morning routine right now. Why is the morning so crucial for weight loss? Your body has been fasting overnight and is perfectly primed for fat burning. During sleep, your insulin levels drop significantly, which means your body is ready to use stored fat as its primary energy source. If you consume the right nutrients immediately after waking up, you can drastically accelerate this natural fat burning process without much effort. This specific natural drink activates your metabolism instantly, forcing your body to target and destroy stubborn abdominal fat cells very efficiently. Let us break down the powerful ingredients you need. The foundation of this miraculous drink is simply pure, fresh, warm drinking water. Warm water gently wakes up your digestive system, hydrates your cells, and prepares your stomach for the powerful nutrients coming next. The first active ingredient is fresh lemon. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, which is essential for proper immune system function. More importantly, lemon actively supports your liver in detoxifying the body, helping it process and eliminate stored fat molecules much faster. A healthy liver is an absolute fat-burning machine. Lemon ensures this vital organ operates at peak performance throughout your entire day. The second crucial ingredient is raw apple cider vinegar. This golden liquid is famous for its incredible ability to control your appetite. Apple cider vinegar effectively regulates your insulin levels, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes that usually lead to severe fat accumulation daily. By keeping your blood sugar completely stable, this powerful vinegar stops those annoying mid-morning sugar cravings before they even start. The final secret ingredient is cayenne pepper. This vibrant red spice contains a powerful active compound known in science as capsaicin. Capsaicin triggers a unique biological process called thermogenesis, which naturally raises your internal body temperature to burn extra calories very quickly. Thanks to this spicy addition, your body will continue to burn calories effortlessly, even when you are just resting or sitting down. Now that you know the ingredients, let us learn the exact method to prepare this fat-burning elixir correctly every single morning. Start by squeezing exactly half of a fresh lemon into your glass. Always use fresh lemons for the absolute maximum health benefits. Next, pour about 250 milliliters of warm water over the freshly squeezed lemon juice to mix them together perfectly. It is extremely important that you never use boiling hot water. High temperatures will instantly destroy the delicate enzymes in the lemon. After adding the warm water, carefully measure and pour exactly 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into your glass. Make sure your apple cider vinegar contains the mother, as these beneficial bacteria are crucial for improving your overall gut health tremendously. Finally, sprinkle a small pinch of cayenne pepper into the mixture. You do not need much to activate the powerful thermogenic effect. Stir the mixture thoroughly until all the ingredients are completely blended together. Your powerful morning fat-burning drink is now completely ready. What exactly happens inside your body when you drink this? Within mere minutes, a fascinating biological transformation begins in your digestive tract. The warm, acidic mixture immediately stimulates the production of stomach acid, which prepares your digestive system to break down food extremely efficiently. You might feel a gentle, comforting warmth spreading through your chest and stomach as the cayenne pepper initiates the rapid thermogenesis process. This slight increase in your core body temperature means your metabolism has officially shifted into a high-gear fat-burning mode entirely. Your liver starts producing essential enzymes rapidly, flushing out dangerous toxins and preparing to metabolize stored fat for pure, clean daily energy. This incredible drink is absolutely perfect for anyone who constantly feels sluggish, tired, or completely exhausted right after waking up every morning. It provides a clean, natural energy boost without the jittery side effects or terrible afternoon crashes associated with drinking too much coffee. If you struggle with uncontrollable cravings for sweet snacks throughout the day, this morning routine will become your absolute best friend forever. The unique combination of lemon and apple cider vinegar works incredibly well to keep your appetite suppressed until your next healthy meal. People dealing with unstable blood sugar levels will also notice a massive improvement in how they feel throughout their busy daily routines. For the absolute best results, you must drink this powerful elixir on an empty stomach immediately after waking up every single day. Wait at least 20 to 30 minutes before eating your breakfast. This gives the drink enough time to activate your sluggish metabolism. Consistency is the ultimate key to success. Make this simple drink a non-negotiable part of your permanent daily morning health routine. Over time, you will notice your clothes fitting much better as that stubborn belly fat slowly begins to melt away for good. You will also experience clearer skin, better digestion, and a significantly stronger immune system thanks to the high vitamin C content provided. Remember that this drink is not a magic cure. You still need to maintain a balanced diet and exercise regularly for results. However, when combined with a healthy lifestyle, this morning ritual acts as a powerful catalyst to accelerate your weight loss journey dramatically. Listen to your body closely. If the cayenne pepper is too strong initially, simply reduce the amount until your stomach fully adjusts. Start your transformation tomorrow morning. Grab a lemon, some apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, and take control of your personal health journey. Thank you for watching Vital Health Guide. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing health tips, and have a wonderfully healthy day.